Is there a report that most boards receive every month, but they never really look at, right? So we should always be looking at the balance sheet and the income statement, our delinquency report. But is there one report in a standard report package that you believe to be underused and undervalued that boards should be looking at?
Well, I would say that there are well, I'll start with one. All right, but the first one is, and this might not be in your existing financial report package, but this is something that I started off in this industry 25 years ago as a community manager. The number one report to run the community is called the comparative income and expense report. So it's that income and expense report that I mentioned earlier, but then it also has for the month and then for year to date. And it's also got your budget for the month and it's got your budget year to date. And then it's got a variance next to that. The next one, which is the bonus I was talking about, is the bank reconciliation report. And that sounds weird. And you might not know that you even have a report called bank reconciliation report. But basically, the job of this report in the report packet is that it shows or proves that what is in your bank statement and what is on your financial statements match up. And that is important. And the reason why that is important, I'll share a story. When I was running a management company years and years ago, a competitor ended up stealing over $2 million worth of money from multiple associations. And the way that they did that was they doctored the financial reports and they did not provide a bank reconciliation report, obviously, or bank statements. So by seeing this, you're going to make sure that what you're looking at as a financial statement is accurate, and you're not going to have that problem of having some doctored financial reports. So those are two that I think would be, make sure you've got them in your financial report packet, and then see if you don't, see if you can get them. But those are two reports that we provide in our financial report packets to all our customers.
Reports beyond the basic balance sheet income statement that every HOA condo should be receiving monthly. What other reports do you believe should be standard? Maybe they're not standard, but should be standard in a monthly financial packet.
There's another one which would be like a reserve report that shows the money that you have saved up plus money that you're going to increase the amount of reserves that you have minus any disbursements that you had that were reserve expenses for the period. So then you have a good handle on what's happening with that reserve money that you have saved up for capital improvement projects or that goes in line with your reserve report.